go start our sunflower trip. Yay! So we got our sunflower emissions ticket. It's $8.99 per adult. If you want to pay $5 extra, you can get those choo-choo trains. There, but we're gonna walk, so let's go. I think so. All right, so now we're going into the sunflower field. It's a nice and beautiful day. Look at this. Wow. Make sure you take care of not getting too close to the bees, so they do have some bees. So at the end of the trip, with your ticket, we will be able to get a bloom as well to take home with us. All right, there's a big one right there. Whew. As long as you don't get engaged with the bees, I think you're okay. Oh my God. Look at amazing. Just look at the views around you. It's just really amazing. You can't believe this is only about 30 miles away from the city, and you get this beautiful view outside of Chicago.
Fast on a rough road, riding high through the mountains, climbing, twisting, turning further from my home. Young, like a new moon rising, fierce through the rain and lightning, wandering out into this great unknown. And I don't want no one to cry, but tell them if I don't survive, I was born free. I was born free. I was born free. Born free. Free like a river raging strong is the wind I'm facing, chasing dreams and racing Father Time.
Kuiper Farm is an awesome place to visit, I'm sure. Look at this beautiful view. Awesome place. Great time to visit Chicago, visit Kuiper Farm, and take all the nature in on a beautiful Sunday.
These days you can't get a man to work. People get married and they still flirt. Don't pledge allegiance to our flag like we used to do. Good men are willing to give their lives, while politicians take away our rights, saying they know best what's good for you. These days dads are always gone. Mama's still here, but she's on her phone. Grandma's raising the kids, and the devil is too. If you ask me, this whole world has gone to hell. I speak the truth, but these days the truth won't sell. I bleed red, white, and blue in my ways you just can't change. Wrong or right, I give my life for this place called USA.
sunflower. Look at the beads right there. Whew. Don't get too close. Don't get too close to the beads, guys. It's a beautiful day. So with your emissions ticket, you get one bloom. So I'm just getting the cutter right now. I'm just trying to pick the best one I like. I think this is pretty nice because this one hasn't really bloomed yet. So hopefully that will last longer. So maybe I'll just cut this one.
Alright, you guys ready?
1, 2, 3. Shh. Oh no. Poor thing. Oops. Wow. I cut it right here. Oh, the bees are coming with me. Man. So after you cut the sunflower, they actually give you a little bag to make sure that it keeps moist. I was talking to the lady. The sunflower will last at least a week. So you'll be awesome. This is the end of our trip to the Kuipers Family Sunflower Field trip. And now I'm just saying, Longray is or was here. Cheers! See you next time!